Hey guys, I'm gonna show how to do a program to reverse the whole numbers and pass in programming language. Type here is a is equal to, and then int, and then to print close brackets and in your input. And then to print close brackets and then double quotes in there. Then in there check is enter the whole and then number. Enter the whole number. And then here just leave one space, and here a colon and then cameo, and then type as s is equal to 0, and then cameo, and then type as while, and then to print close brackets and in there a less than 0, and then after bracket a colon and then cameo, and then type as b is equal to, and then int, and then to print close brackets and in there type as a modulus, just wait a minute. Modulus 10, and then cameo, and then type as s is equal to, then s star, and then 10 plus b, and then cameo, and then type as a is equal to, and then a / 10, which means 4 division by 10, and then here type as print, and then to print close brackets in there type as answer, and then a colon, and then here a comma, and then type here as s, and then now we'll run into the program. Enter the whole number, so I'll enter as 1 2 3 4. And then sorry, I think I made some mistakes. Just wait a minute. Sorry, here I have used less than 0. Here I have to use greater than 0. And then I'll now run the program. And then I'll run the program as 1 3 4. You see, it shows 4 3 2 1. And then if I enter here as wait a minute, 6 5 4 3. And then you see it comes as 3 4 5 6. That's all. We created our own program to reverse the whole numbers and pass in programming language. Now if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me in the comment box. Bye. We'll meet you next time.